Hi there, Jay this side. So here's one of the project that I just built for one of my clients. So this was the sample data that was provided to me in Excel workbook. I had a couple of bunch of rows down out here, and I was asked to do a study on this data. So I mean, what I did is I converted this. I'm going to close this. I converted this into a table. And then I finally created a dashboard, which was something like this. So here's the dashboard that I presented with just one slicer. Probably I could have used something more, but I found that this was more than helpful because the questions which were asked were these only. So yep, I presented the dashboard from the raw data and also provide the insights on the PowerPoint slides. So it was for one of the bank, a newly created bank, and it was a study. So yep, I did the study for my client, presented all the reviews, gave all the recommendations from start till the end, all using all quality 7QC tools. And it's something related to call center industry data, something like NPS, CSAT, and some other important parameters. So this is the deck that I presented to my client with the recommendation slides and what can be done to improve the NPS. And yes, that was a big hit and a win-win for both me and my client. Thank you very much.